Growing up in Belglade, I seen a lot of kids fall off the path. One of the main reasons is they have no positive people to follow. We just trying to get by. It's nobody out here teaching us about be the best you can be, or it's just surviving out here, and we don't have nothing to strive for. 9 times out of 10, they gotta pass by drug addicts doing their drugs all day, every day. Like I say, they don't see lawyers, they don't see doctors, nobody who's doing nothing positive. I wake up every morning, I come to the SAC. One of the main reasons I do it is because I actually want to see a change in my community. I want better for our kids. I want better opportunity for our kids. I quit one of my dream jobs just to become a mentor here, a person who the kids can come to in the community. At the SAC and with Student ACES, we provide a safe place for the kids. We also provide food for the kids. Some kids may not eat at night. We also have computers here. We also have internet access here. It's a family environment, and the kids really feel safe while they're here. I believe I speak for the community when I say we need positive change. And here at the SAC with Student ACES, we create champions, and Belglade needs champions.